I got a feeling deep inside that you've been lying about where you've been at night. Oh, I've got a feeling, so you better learn to treat me right. I've got a fire in my soul, burning desire that I can't control, 'cause I've got a feeling that your love is growing cold.
When a crisis strikes, one decision can determine the directions of the future. This is the crisis table.
Thank you all for coming. We are in critical situation. One of our biggest client has suddenly terminated their contract. We need fast solution. What's your idea?
Can cut staff salaries. That's not a solution. We need to rebrand quickly. If we can create a fresh image, we might attract new clients.
I think we should show the client they can just terminate a contract like that. We need to act legally.
Legal action takes time and money. It prefer a merger with another company that could be more efficient.
But what about our team? We can't just think of business. Layoffs shall be an option. We need to protect morale.
All valid point, but we need one actionable plan. Sela, you have been quiet. Any thoughts?
Actually, I have an idea. What if we pivot our service to digital education? Our technology can be adapted, and the education market is growing.
Education, that sounds like a stretch.
It might just be the right move. We do have the tech capability.
If we can create a strong education product, it could attract new investors.
And by doing this, we could strengthen our team and avoid layoff.
This could be a new path for all of us. Sela, we need more details. Who's the target market?
We can create an online learning platform with modules for different institutions. Our teachers can extend the learning experience with interactivity.
I'll start looking into current EdTech trends. What's hot in the market right now?
Good. We need to plan strategically and not be in the way.
This could be our opportunity to build a better company culture.
Sela, is our technology capable of supporting this pivot?
Our tools are flexible. We can even run a small test group for feedback.
Alright, here's our action plan.
Me, continue your research into the digital education market. Who are the competitors? What future do they offer?
And me, gather data on current online education trends. What tech and platforms are growing?
And me, ensure a legal aspect are covered. And what do we need to prepare?
We explore partnership or merger with education sector players.
We start planning internal communication to our team motivate and income.
I want all finding ready within 1 week. Let's move fast. If we work together, we can turn this crisis into an opportunity. Let's go, team. Welcome back, everyone. Let's hear the progress. Sela, start us off.
If research the digital education market, online learning, interactive courses, and webinar are booming. Many institutions want flexible learning solutions.
a fun range of education influencers we can work with. They have strong audience and could help us launch big.
I've checked the legal aspect of this pivot. There are no major issues, but our content must comply with educational regulations.
I've reached out to a few companies in the education field. They're open to collaboration which could spin up our effort.
I've spoken with our group. They excited and eager to be part of this project. More is discipline.
Excellent progress. Let's shape this into a solid plan. What's the next step?
We can start with defining a prototype of the learning platform and test it with small group based on feedback and getting it.
I work on a marketing strategy for the product launch cycle.
I'll prepare all necessary documents so we're fully protected from a legal standpoint.
I'll coordinate with everyone to create clear workflow and timelines for all classes.
Great. Let's all take our rules seriously. We can make this happen. Are we ready to turn this crisis into our next big success? Sela, I'd love to hear more about your original idea. How do you envision our starting point?
Thank you, Amira. I believe we can start short courses focus on high demand skill like basic coding or digital marketing. These are appealing to people seeking upskilling opportunities.
That sounds great, but how do we make it stand out from the other platforms?
By offering more interactivity, live Q&A with experts, practical project, and peer collaboration can be our unique edge.
So it's not just content, it is experience that will be major selling point.
Let's just some initial course modules and launch a survey to understand what people really want to learn.
I'll support the marketing and outreach if we highlight the uniqueness of our approach will grab attention.
Sela, your initial suggestion has turned into something much bigger. This is a clear direction with a real potential. Well done.
Thank you all for believing in this. I'll begin mapping the curriculum and evaluation the best platform for us.
When can we get started? The whole team is energized now.
Draft a timeline and clear launch target that will have a time focus.
I looked into funding opportunities. We need a practical budget to ensure everything runs smoothly.
Fantastic work, team. Let's regroup soon and share our next round of updates. Together, we'll rise from this crisis stronger than ever.
I feel very optimistic. Thank you for everyone's support. This is collaborative.